other workers. We have breaking updates coming in of the Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reviewing the ongoing rescue operations from the CM residence. He is in touch with the officials who are present there. So the rescue operations are going on. Yesterday, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah had also spoken to the Chief Minister as well as the rescue personnel, assuring all help for the rescue operations. And today, the Chief Minister is also continuously monitoring the rescue operations. He is in touch with the rescue personnel who are currently there at the spot. And look at the challenges that they have. It's still snowing, so inclement weather as well as the terrain there posing the biggest challenge.
लगातार लोगों के रेस्क्यू अभियान को चलाया जा रहा है और हमारा प्रयास है जल्दी से जल्दी सभी जो फंसे हुए श्रमिक हैं सभी जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकलें, सभी को सकुशल बाहर निकाला जाए। उसके लिए हर संभव प्रयास चल रहे हैं। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी अभी दूरभाष पर सारी जानकारी ली है और हर संभव सहायता का उन्होंने आश्वासन भी दिया है और पूरे प्रदेश भर के अंदर अन्य जगह पर बारिश के बाद इस बर्फबारी के बाद क्या स्थिति है उसके बारे में भी उन्होंने जानकारी ली और केंद्र सरकार और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का कार्यालय लगातार यहाँ संपर्क में है। हम हर संभव कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी सभी को बाहर निकाला जाए। अब अभी 14 लोग और मिले हैं और सभी सकुशल बताए जा रहे हैं, तो जल्दी जो बचे हुए लोग हैं उनको भी जल्दी निकाल लिया जाएगा।
My colleagues Isha and Abhishek are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Isha, the rescue operations are taking place. The Chief Minister monitoring the rescue operations, but as we saw the updates coming in as well, 47 have been rescued so far.
Right, Pratibha, the number currently is at 47, but before we explain, we'd like to show you the visual. We are en route and you can see that road closures have already taken place. In fact, you were also pointing out that the weather conditions are extremely poor here, and you can see that there are landslides that have taken place at every small spot here. At every few kilometers, there is a particular landslide that has taken place. The weather has been dropping, and of course, you can see here the border security is also here, and the road maintenance is taking place as we speak. In fact, we were also stalled here for some time. But what we are picking up right now is that the army has started to evacuate all those who were stuck there with helicopters. The helicopter action has also now started to take place is what we are finding out. And in the coming few hours, we also did see that more people will be evacuated, more numbers will be evacuated. Around 9 to 10 are still stuck inside the avalanche is what we are being told. But with the very poor weather conditions, it's still snowing, it's extremely windy, and that has also added to making it more difficult for the forces there as well. And like you were also pointing out, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is monitoring the situation extremely closely. Sources have also told us that he spoke to the Prime Minister as well, giving him updates of what took place exactly. But right now, as we speak, rescue operations are currently underway. Helicopters have now been put in place so that more evacuations can take place in a swifter fashion. Back to you.